let's say you link into a hotel IP, a Wi-Fi, and somebody else has used that Wi-Fi in an eBay account that eventually gets banned. I know that seems odd or whatever, but it's very risky. For the little bit it takes to set up AnyDesk or Desk or any of those, it's so much worth it just to keep the eBay account IP consistent.
And then the long-term goal should just be to get a VA, because then you can just have someone to come in as well. Next, we'll go to V. What's up, bro?
Oh, hi, hello. Can you
Yes, sir. How you doing?
Going back to Jennifer and how she was talking about traveling, I just wanted to know, like, would it be so bad to indeed just have a laptop and like a laptop? So I'm aiming to get a like work laptop and then run my main account, I guess, off of that laptop. Would it be so bad to travel with that laptop directly, especially when I've already had history on that laptop's IP when going on vacation or when traveling, in comparison to having to get a VA or doing the AnyDesk if I am indeed fine to manage the
I
store while
mean,
on vacation? Mhm.
I think Dan would probably agree that like it just has more issues when you bring it to new IPs, even if it's aged.
So
So
I'll
probably
tell
just
you what can
Okay.
happen. Let's say you link into a hotel IP, a Wi-Fi, and somebody else has used that Wi-Fi in a eBay account that eventually gets banned. I know that seems odd or whatever, but it's very risky. For the little bit it takes to set up AnyDesk or Desk or any of those, it's so much worth it just to keep the eBay account IP consistent.
Okay.
So at this point, I understand what you're saying. You should be able to travel with your laptop and run your eBay business, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But I'm
Yeah,
telling you, I do believe it
that's fair.
creates a flag item.
No
like
problem. Okay.
through the
So
lens of
then,
what is safest, right? Basically. Yeah.
right. So then, so like currently I'm running my store off of pretty much my phone with the app and my actual like gaming PC. So then would it be fine at that point to then have the store then open, I guess, on the PC and the laptop? And then I'm guessing with any desk, I should be able to access either or. If
Yeah,
something was to
yeah.
happen to one or the other, I would still be able to access the other one,
Logging into
right?
your account on your PC should be fine in my opinion. Like it's in the same house, same IP.
Well, I'm just saying that like I mean like because I haven't even touched the AnyDesk yet. Like you are able to put that on multiple things, right? And then while
That's
off on vacation, I'd be able to access the gaming PC or the laptop, correct?
that's what I basically did.
Okay.
And I would just ask ChatGPT, make sure to make it foolproof. And then the long-term goal should just be to get a VA, because then you can just have someone to come in as well.
Okay. And then what was the that site? You had said something about like when she was asking about where to get VAs from. You said like
Yeah,
a site or actually
onlinejobs.ph is really great.
onlinejobs.ph. Okay. Okay, cool.
It's
Thank you.
yeah, and that's Philippine VA candidates, and they just tend to be really reliable, loyal people. I think they're a great first choice for your first VA. Yeah.
And then you said it's called onlinejobs dot
Yeah, just search it
VA.
up. It's gonna be like onlinejobs.ph or p something like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. I think it's
If you search up
online. It's online jobs or dot PH, I think is for Philippines, PH.
Oh,
it's a little
PH.
weird.
Okay.
A little weird. I forgot the exact name. But yeah.
Okay. And then
And yeah,
when it
Caleb,
comes, oh,
sorry.
so when it comes to getting
No,
the
like Caleb,
VA, would I be able to get one temporarily, or that's when I'm ready to have one like as a long-term thing?
you could get a temporary VA, but most of them tend to be looking for long-term stable work. Like they're
Right.
very loyal. They want to build a working relationship with you.
Right. Okay. Uh, okay, cool. Thank
Like
you.
my last VA told me she just hates project-based work. She hates work that expires because then she's got to go find more work, right? So
Right.
yeah, great. Jonathan sent it. Onlinejobs.ph.
Okay, cool. Thank you.